And for those who have already taken wrong steps sincerely because of confusion, the devil manipulated the innocence of your yieldedness to speak to you things that moved you away from the will of God. I prophesy to you right now, let there be restoration with precision. Please place your hand on your head. I decree and declare, every hand that touched your head in the spirit, every hand that touched your head in a dream, any hand that has tampered with your glory, bring them out. I decree right now, as I'm praying for you, whether you are aware or not, the hand that has caused you sickness, the hand that has caused you retrogression, in the name of Jesus, be delivered now. 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 Keep your hands on your head. I know why I'm praying for you. Parataka barakata. Sakata balakata. The glory of your destiny hijacked by manipulations in dreams, hijacked by manipulation, that you are born for excellence and greatness but trapped by demonic activities. I decree right now, let fire come upon your destiny. Fire comes 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 upon your destiny. In the name of Jesus.